What's up guys, Justin here of YugaTech, and in September last year, HMD Global officially announced two of its new entry-level smartphones that's packed with Android 10, large screens, and big batteries. I'm talking about the Nokia 2.4 and Nokia 3.4. But today you've read the title, we'll be checking out the bigger Nokia 3.4. Alright, before anything else, let's unbox it. Upon opening the box, we're already greeted with the phone itself. But let's set it aside for now. Let's check out this little compartment first. Now we'll find here the charging brick, the USB Type-C cord, and hey, we also get free earphones. Okay, in this other compartment, we can see the manuals, the free jelly case, and the SIM ejector tool. Let's now unwrap the Nokia 3.4. Nice. As you can already tell, the Nokia 3.4 is a reasonably large phone but a lightweight one. Despite its size, it has a thin profile which makes it comfortable to hold. Our unit comes in the Fjord colorway, but you can also get it in charcoal and dusk. Honestly, the phone does feel kind of cheap due to its plastic body, but what we like about it is that it's less prone to fingerprints and smudges with its embossed plastic design. Luckily, it also comes with the free jelly case in the box. Here at the back, we can find its protruding circular camera module, circular fingerprint scanner, and the Nokia branding. Meanwhile, up front, this phone sports a large 6.3-inch HD Plus display that's perfect for watching videos and playing games. The color reproduction is good and it can get bright enough when used outdoors. We can also find the dot notch here for the front camera, the call speaker, and another Nokia branding on its chin. Found on the right side are the power or lock button as well as the volume rocker. Moving over to the left side, we have its dual nano SIM tray with a dedicated micro SD card slot. And there's also a dedicated Google Assistant button that you can also disable in the settings. It's pretty handy, but we almost always mistook it for the power button. Up top, we got the 3.5mm audio port alongside the secondary noise-cancelling microphone. Down at the bottom resides its primary microphone, USB Type-C port, and speaker grill. As for the audio quality, it's pretty decent. Nothing much to expect here. Anyways, running this phone is Android 10 and it's stock Android, so we don't get any bloatware in here. And we like it. We get the usual Google apps, and that's pretty much it. It's also worth noting that this device is guaranteed to upgrade to Android 11, which is good. Performance-wise, the Nokia 3.4 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 chip, together with 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and a 4000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging. The initial test is pretty decent. However, we noticed slowness in performance when multitasking, as we already expected. As an entry-level device, the fingerprint scanner and face recognition also take a little slower to unlock. Moving on to cameras, it has a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 13-megapixel main, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, we get an 8-megapixel front camera. In the meantime, take a look at the few sample photos we got. For 7,990 pesos, we honestly think that the Nokia 3.4 sits in a dangerous spot in a cramped place full of better specced entry-level smartphones with the same price range. Well, there's the Poco M3, the Redmi Note 9, and the Realme Narzo 20 to name a few. Nonetheless, if you fancy a Nokia phone with a large screen and battery capacity, and not to mention the stock Android goodness, then the Nokia 3.4 is also worth considering. And that's it for now guys. What are your thoughts on this Nokia 3.4? Feel free to share it with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.